Hi loves, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install boho twist or passion twist on your 4C hair, how to prevent tangles while wearing in different styles to try out, how to moisturize it, and of course how to take it out safely. So if you want to see all of that, then most definitely keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. Noya here, and this is Naturalblackgirlie. If you're seeing me for the first time, girl, where have you been? I make natural hair videos to help you navigate your hair journey. Today we're going to be doing everything boho braids or passion twist. They're basically the same thing, just the difference of twist or braids depending on your choice. Boho braids are really trending right now, but I'm not a big fan of braids, so I'm trying it out with twists instead. I stretched my hair overnight using braids. I also dusted my ends and unraveled for a bit of stretch. Now look guys, I don't dust my hair every time I braid it or twist it. I just do it only when it's needed, and I felt like my hair needed it in this video. That's why I dusted my ends. Don't go cutting off the hair that you actually worked hard to grow just because you saw me doing it. Please don't do that. You guys, look at all that healthy hair. I'm so happy it's all mine. Now let's get into the tutorial. My friend here is going to be helping me to part my hair. I'm so happy and grateful that she was around, because you guys know how it gets when it comes to parting natural hair. So we made 5 horizontal parts from ear to ear at the back, and then 6 vertical ones at the front. This hairstyle looks extremely fine on clean parts, so that is why I'm really grateful that she was here to help me with my parts. To start, just take out the size of the twist you want and thoroughly detangle to avoid tangles. You don't want to leave out a tangled mess. Then flat twist the roots. You can use a braiding gel if you want, but I'm using only this leave-in from Ome's Beauty. You can also twist as tight or as loose as you want depending on your preference, and then you want to use your thumb to section out little sections along the length of your hair. You can do this 2 or 3 times depending on how coily and fluffy you want the hairstyle to be. Depending on the size of the twist, I left about 2 or 3 because honestly I didn't want to leave too much hair out, because I'm really trying to protect my hair against breakage. So I will also advise that you just do 2 or 3. To achieve the boho look, I decided to go with 2 gels with the strongest hold, which is the floral curl defining gel and in essence I create hold. You guys, this gel lives up to its name and price. Is literally the most expensive hair product I own. I just kind of curl the hair around my fingers to help define. I also use the shrinking method at some point, and then I use the in essence I create hold gel to kind of freeze the definition so it can last all day, because my hair is going to freeze back in like an hour. So it really helped me. So far it's coming out really nice. My curls are well defined. I'm going to be fast forwarding through the rest, and then some parts are going to be done off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys the rest. So enjoy. You guys, I'm absolutely in love with the final look. The curls were coiling, everything was just giving. but I wasn't feeling the volume of the hair. I think I twisted too tight, and then I took bigger sections at the back. So make sure you pick smaller sections if you're going to be trying this hairstyle out. I went ahead to apply some hair growth oil on my scalp and my hair to break the cast, because the acrylic hold gel actually kind of freezes up your hair, especially when you layer it on top of a gel that already has some hold, like the floral cold gel. It has like lots of hold. I just wanted to use the ICH to make sure that I freeze it up. So using the oil to break the cast was definitely a necessity. Honestly, I didn't think I would like this hairstyle. I kept on telling Jay, oh, I'm not feeling it, I'm not feeling it. She's like, you're gonna feel it at the end. And this is the end, I'm feeling it. I've been wearing my hair like this for a week since I work from home. The best maintenance routine for this style is keeping your hair stretched to reduce breakage. So I just banded my hair in 3 sections, especially at night with a scarf to just sleep in. I'm just going to be taking it out so you guys will see what I just spoke about. Yeah, you can see that my hair definitely looks stretched. Honestly, this twist still looks really good and my hair is still moisturized underneath, so I'm happy and impressed even. To moisturize, I use my guava and lemongrass tea. I've linked the video prep below so you could watch it if you're interested. So I just kind of sprayed that into my scalp, massaged it in, and I also sprayed a tiny bit onto my hair to avoid getting it soaking wet. Then I went ahead and squeezed in the leave-in conditioner. Don't rub, that is going to cause frizz. Just squeeze it in. I also recommend doing this once or twice a week to reduce manipulation, because the more you moisturize your hair, even though you mean good, but you're actually manipulating your hair. And this hairstyle really doesn't need any manipulation to avoid potential breakage. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because it helps to tell YouTube, oh, I'm really enjoying this video and I thought you should show it to other people. To style my hair, I'll be trying out this popular edge wax by Khalida Natural, and I loved it, although it came up later, but I think it's because I didn't tie it down. Here are some of the cute fun ways to style this passion twist. Honestly, it's so pretty, it's so chic, it's giving that extra chic vibe. So I'm just gonna shut up now and let you guys just enjoy this little hairstyle show. In case you're not like me that works from home, you go to work every day or you go to school and then your calls get frizzy, here is how to refresh your calls. So I found out that using this Camille Rose mousse defined my calls and left zero flakes. I don't know if you could see on my black shirt, but I had lots of flakes. I think the two gel mixture that I used did not match each other, so I had flakes. Left zero flakes, plus my hair also dried almost immediately, so I actually recommend using mousse to even try this hairstyle in the first place, or use it to redefine your curls when you have to. And of course, I got you covered. For everyone scared to try this hairstyle due to potential breakage, it's how you can actually loosen this style without any breakage. As you can see, it's actually very easy to unravel, just like twists, and it actually gave really nice defined twister. But yeah, I'm not gonna be keeping that. I just kind of detangling my hair to show you guys that it was very easy to loosen, and that is how much hair I lost, guys. It was very close to nothing. So go ahead and try this hairstyle. If you follow this routine, your hair should be fine and you should be able to enjoy it. This was such a fun hairstyle, but it's definitely high maintenance, especially if you have to go out every day. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.